In the Canadian Rockies, a battle of Olympic proportions echoes through the mountains. The contestants are Bighorn sheep, young and old rams alike, looking to make their mark. The prize is mating rights and the chance to woo the local ewes. With a number of males interested, there's only one way to settle the matter. Headbutting. They smash into each other with 40-pound horns, absorbing the shock with double-layered skulls. Whoever is left standing at the end is the winner. They are fierce competitors, strong, tireless, determined, and willing to use every trick in the book to achieve victory. This one pretends to graze to throw his opponents off guard. An old ploy, it doesn't fool the others. 2-on-1 is a good tactic, as are shots from behind to soften a ram up. And a low blow when no one's looking. The ewes watch and wait for a winner. But just because one ram comes out on top doesn't mean the females will accept him. After besting his rivals, the lead ram now has another challenge: pursuing the females up rocky mountain slopes and proving his strength once again. The other males, unwilling to admit defeat, wait for their chance to bring the frontrunner down. Finally, he proves his worthiness. The ewes consent. Their children will be strong and hardy. For now, he is the champion, until next season, when the competition begins again.